Konnichiwa! Welcome back to my lesson. Let's learn daily basic verbs today. In about 5 minutes, you'll be able to talk about things you do in your daily life. The essential expressions are object o and basic action verbs. Let's begin. The structure is new expressions, practice, and summary. This is a part of my online course, Master Speaking Japanese. Please see the description box below for more details. If you want to master speaking, please subscribe and set the bell. You'll gain confidence. Let's start. Basic action verbs. Repeat after me. 見ます。見ます。聞きます。聞きます。飲みます。飲みます。食べます。食べます。書きます。書きます。話します。話します。Activity します。For example, posting, 投稿。So, 投稿します。投稿します。起きます。起きます。寝ます。寝ます。Now, let's focus on the sentence structure. If you eat ramen, you say, 私はラーメンを食べます。And as a speaker, you can omit 私は about me and simply say, ラーメンを食べます。Repeat after me. ラーメンを食べます。ラーメンを食べます。Good. Okay, try 抹茶ラテ。Yes, 抹茶ラテを飲みます。Very good. カラオケ。カラオケをします。Okay, let's make questions. You simply add か at the end. Remember from part 1 lesson 4? Let's start from yes/no questions. Now you're X and ocha is green tea. Then I'll ask you, X さんはお茶を飲みますか？ X さんはお茶を飲みますか？ If yes, say, はい、飲みます。If not, いいえ、飲みません。You don't need to repeat 私はand お茶を。Okay? Now your turn. Wine. Ask me. Yes? 新井先生はワインを飲みますか？ Great. はい、飲みます。Next, open question. 何？ Listen to my question. X さんは何を食べますか？ X さんは何を食べますか？ Answer any food you enjoy. Yes? Something を食べます。Now ask me the same question. Yes? 新井先生は何を食べますか？たこ焼きを食べます。I love it. Okay, let's summarize the lesson. What did you learn today? Yes. X はオブジェクトをアクションバーブます。Well done. Simply adding か for yes/no question. Answer はい、バーブます。いいえ、バーブません。Open question 何を Fantastic! Do you know the secret to become a better speaker? Self-practice is the key for successful conversation. So please move on to the practice video. You can access it for free on www.masterspeakingjapanese.com. You can also try free 31 video lessons and quizzes. The next lesson, daily activities plus time expressions. So don't miss out and please subscribe and set the bell if you haven't. Thank you for learning my language. Let's keep going. Please click like and share if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now.